Habakali UMLE ka umroy uba George Lengdo eka vacant post jang ki pulet hajala. Chief Minister okonat ke sangma uong namar ba bun palat ki office hajala badru hakari barokawai uong ba 6 ban ai jubab. George uong ba bali ki jingkeli bala ai na do 8,000 khat phra amla ban jubab. Kani kapan iya ka jingbam tip UCM ya ka kamla jong.
Speaker sir, with the reply that the information is being collected, does this mean that the government does not have any readily available information on the number of vacant posts across all departments?
Sir, the vacancy and the posts being filled up are dynamic processes. It changes during the course of time. And just to give an idea to everybody, sir, how complicated this entire process and the information that has been sought, is that, so we have over 63 directorates, sir. And apart from the 63 directorates that are there are more than 60 departments. Apart from the 60 departments that are there, so there are 12 DC offices. There are over 6 SDO offices. There are over 46 blocks. And we have Meghalaya House in Guwahati, Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai, Vellore. Sir, we have more than 200 such different offices, departments, and at different levels. Even at the district level, there are official offices of every department in different departments, not every, but large number of departments are there in different districts. What I'm trying to say is that, sir, if I were to give a number, it cannot be a number that is 4, 5 months, 6 months old. It has to be the latest number. And hence the exercise of collecting this huge amount of data and giving it at the precise current status right now requires us to collect the data as is, where is basis. And hence the process is very complicated, and hence it requires time to collect it. And that's why I mentioned, sir, that we are in the process of collecting the information.
Yes, President.
Mr. Speaker, sir, when I was listening to the response to the first supplementary question from the honourable member, the questioner, I don't understand what the Honourable Chief Minister was trying to explain about. Meghalaya House, Kolkata, Delhi, Bangalore, these are under certain departments. And the principal question is the number of vacant posts since 2018 till 2022. Yes, of course, that dynamism is there, but until the end of the last financial year, that is up to till 31st March 2022, the government has to be in a position to give the information on the floor of the House. It is very important. So if we hear the reply, we can understand that the government is intentionally avoiding to give this information to the people of the state.
So the honourable member can presume whatever he presumes, sir. But my idea of explaining to the entire House regarding the complexity and mentioning about the different offices is to really shed light on the fact that it sounds very simple when you say departments. But every department has got, some have got multiple directorates. Some in the directorate itself have got 46 different offices. Some have different offices in different locations. All this information has to be collected correctly, sir. If I were to place a number today and tomorrow that number happened to be, we missed out somewhere, something, then I would be blamed for misleading the House, sir. I can't do that. And I'm trying to be responsible out here, and that's why I have given a very true fact. There is a complex data, and we are collecting the information, sir. So I don't want to mislead the House. Tomorrow, the same members will come to me and say, what about this one post of peon that was in Meghalaya House in Bombay that has not been mentioned in this? So then I will be in a difficult position. So therefore, sir, I have to be very clear. I want to be responsible here, and I'm telling the members that we are collecting the information. It's complicated, sir.